Just let here go. Beautiful. And just let this drop. Beautiful. Wow. You're gonna feel a nice stretch up towards me, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Let it all go. Imagine the body just relax into the table. Very good. Wow. That was a big one.
That felt good.
Awesome. That was incredible, man. So you're really short on that left side there. Any pain as I press down?
No.
Okay, great. All right, so I'm going to start right in this mid back, okay? Let's go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out and just let it all go. Perfect. Maybe one more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Beautiful. Feel a little bit of vibration coming in, okay?
Okay.
Let's go down into me. And just let here go. Beautiful. My goodness. How you feeling so far?
A lot of pressure relieved.
All right. And come down into me. And just let this drop. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, you're cracking already. Nice deep breath in. And let it all go. Beautiful. Just got a deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. 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 So I'm going to come up into this knee here as well. Beautiful. Beautiful.